In Excel, you can combine text from two or more cells into a single cell. There are two ways to combine text. First, let's use the ampersand symbol. Select the cell where you want the combined text. Type the equal sign. Now select the cell with the first text you want to combine. Type the ampersand and then use quotation marks with a space inside. Type another ampersand and then select the cell with the second text. Press Enter, and the text is combined. You can also use the CONCAT function to combine data. Select the cell where you want the combined data. Type equals CONCAT open parenthesis. Select the cell with the text you want to combine. Use commas to separate data you're combining. Use quotation marks to add spaces, commas, or other text you want combined with the data from your cells. Close the formula with a parenthesis and press Enter. Sweet!